Good evening and welcome to Famous TV. Today we bring a topic that's at the crossroads of health, technology and science. DNA-based diets. Yes, you heard that right. A diet customized not by your preferences, not by the latest fad, but by something far more personal and unique. Your genetic code. It's a new frontier in personalized healthcare and it's creating quite a buzz. So let's decode this latest trend in lifestyle. First, the basic question. What is a DNA-based diet? A DNA-based diet, also known as a personalized nutrition plan, takes insights from your genetic makeup to design a diet specifically for you. This concept is rooted in nutrigenomics, the science of how nutrition interacts with genes to influence health. You may also call it eating for your genes. Here's how it works. Your DNA carries the blueprint for your body. How your body reacts to specific foods, how you metabolize nutrients, and even your risk of developing certain diseases. By analyzing your DNA, scientists and healthcare professionals can develop a diet plan that works the best for you. The result? A meal plan that's not just healthier but more efficient. It can boost nutrition absorption, aid weight management, and potentially reduce risk of chronic health conditions such as diabetes. How does it work? The process is simpler than you might think. Thanks to advances in genetic testing, here's how it unfolds. Genetic testing. It begins with a DNA sample, often taken through a saliva swab. This sample is sent to a lab where experts study your genetic information. Data interpretation. A team of healthcare professionals examines the data, decoding what your genes say about your body's nutritional needs. Personalized recommendations. Based on this analysis, a customized diet plan is created. It specifies which foods you should prioritize, which to avoid, and may even include recommendations for supplements. Monitoring and adjustments. But it doesn't end there. Like any good strategy, your plan evolves, progress is monitored, and adjustments are made as needed. In short, it's like having a nutritionist who knows you inside out, quite literally. Why are we hearing so much about DNA-based diets right now? The concept isn't entirely new, but what's changing is the advancements made in the genetic testing. Just a few years ago, genetic testing was expensive and inaccessible to the average person. Today, companies offer at-home kits that deliver results in weeks. It's a game changer. And let's not forget, we live in an age of personalization. From playlists to shopping experiences, we want everything tailored to our preferences. So why not our health? The rise of DNA-based diets reflects a broader trend, the move towards personalized healthcare. The benefits of DNA-based diets. The benefits of DNA-based diets are many. Personalized nutrition. First and foremost, it's about precision. Instead of generic advice like eat more vegetables, this approach tells which vegetables your body needs the most. Weight management. It's no secret that weight loss is a struggle for many. DNA-based diets can identify genetic factors that influence metabolism and fat storage, making weight management more targeted and effective. Improved health outcomes. Knowing your genetic predisposition to conditions like diabetes or heart diseases allows for preventive dietary changes. Knowledge is power. Perhaps the most underrated benefit is the knowledge itself. Understanding your genetic makeup can be a powerful motivator to adopt healthier habits. The challenges and considerations. But before you rush out to order a DNA test, let's talk about the caveats. The field of nutrigenomics is still evolving. While early results are promising, there's a lot we don't yet know about how genes and nutrition interact. Genetic data is just one piece of the puzzle. Factors like lifestyle, environment, and existing health conditions also play critical role in determining what works best for you. Then there's the question of data privacy. Genetic information is deeply personal. and concerns about how this data is stored and used are always there. And let's be clear, this isn't a DIY approach. You need a qualified healthcare professional to interpret your results and guide you through the process. Without an expert input, there's a risk of oversimplifying or misinterpreting the data. So, where do we go from here? The future of DNA based diets is exciting but requires balance, blending genetic insights with other factors to create holistic health solutions. As research in nutrigenomics progresses, we may see these diets become a standard part of healthcare. Imagine a world where your annual health checkup includes a genetic analysis and a diet plan tailored specifically for you. That's a future that may not be too far. But for that vision to become a reality, we need more research, better regulation, and great public awareness. DNA based diets are a glimpse into the future of health and nutrition, a future where the one size fits all approach becomes obsolete. It's a thrilling prospect, but it's also a reminder that science is a journey, not a destination. As with any innovation, it's crucial to approach it with both curiosity and caution. That's all for today. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay healthy.